Hello friends, so today we'll see how to add two numbers in Python. It's a very interesting subject. So it can be achieved through two way. First one is operator. We can use the plus operator and we can directly retrieve the output. So let's start the Python and so here you go. This is the Python UI. So writing adding two numbers is very simple. You can define the variable two variable, and after that we can define another variable to add those numbers, and after that we can print out. So first one is number. So number is 1 is equal to just give a 5, and another is number 2, that is like a we can give 10, or so we define two variable called number 1, number 2. Number 1 the value put 5 and number 2 value put 10, and here we'll define another variable called sum, and directly we'll use operator number 1 plus number 2. Sorry, this could be number 2. Okay, and variable is defined. Now we will print the value, so we'll give something like that, print and colon, use sum of, and we'll use number 1, so it will print something like that, number 1 and number 2 is something, so here number, and again we'll use text, so text would be something like that, and number number 2, and we'll use is, and we'll use sum. So see the result. See, the first number is 5 and second is 10 and sum is 15. So in that way we can use the operator and we can add the two numbers. The same way we can use the divide as well, just use the operator minus and we can achieve it. So yeah, thank you.